Good day guys and welcome back to our channel. In this one I have another Wix tutorial for you on how to hide a page on your Wix websites. So guys, this is actually pretty simple if you want to hide a page, no matter which reason that is. Maybe you want to edit it before publishing it, or you want to just hide it temporarily for whatever reason. You can do this by navigating to this left panel. So in this menu, just click on Pages and Menu. After that, guys, just make sure to choose the proper page that you wish to hide. So for example, let's say I want to hide the services page. So you can just select it. It's not really mandatory to click on it. You can just click on these three dots. And now, as you can see, we have hide from menu. So you can just hide it. If you want, you can just go back to this page, edit it, and then pretty much get it back into the website. So let's, for example, hide it from menu. Right, so as you can see, now once it's hidden, we have this crossed off eye icon. So that means that it's not visible to the viewers on the live websites. If you want to bring it back, show in menu once again, after maybe editing it. And that's pretty much it. And after you've edited it, for example, you've made your changes, you're now satisfied, it's now will be available to the live viewers again on your website. Enjoy guys, pretty simple, just don't forget about this menu. If this helped, like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next tutorial.